Que tiene negros los ojos, los cabellos rizados, los labios rojos. Antioqueñita, antioqueñita, la palma del desierto es tan bonita.
What's up, guys? So everybody knows that Colombian coffee is the best coffee of the world. We're in a farm, in a coffee farm in the department of Antioquia, in the municipality of Caldas, and the farm is from Mr. Juan. You have to be very specific when you come to talk about coffee. We're going to explain to you today why Colombian coffee is the best coffee of the world, and if you like quality in life instead of quantity, why you should drink only Colombian coffee. These would be the landscapes you get to see when you're a coffee picker.
Los sueños más hermosos del alma mía.
Hey guys, so the whole process of coffee could be divided in 6 steps. The first step is picking the red coffee cherry from the bush. You just pick it, pick only the red ones. You want to have these, that would be coffee. You want to take the next step with taking this skin off, this red skin. It's called depulping, despulpado. It's sweet. It's very, very good, delicious. That's why you shouldn't put sugar in the coffee. You just need to discover it because it already has it. And the next step is taking this mucilago, trying to dry the mucilago. So we let it ferment it for about 18 hours. Then we put it in the sun for about 3 to 7 days, depending if it rains or not. And then we're gonna take another skin out called trillado. And then we're gonna have the green bean. And that green bean, we're gonna roast it. And that's when it's gonna start looking like coffee. And this coffee plant will be Variety Colombia. It gives yellow beans. It's amazing, it's delicious. We have a lot of variety in Colombia. We have one of the biggest labs of the world that is in charge of investigating, creating new type of families. So we have Caturro, we have Castillo. So this will be all of the skin of the coffee after we depulp it. Nothing gets wasted, so this is all used for compost, the same plant.
La tempestad que ruge dentro del alma.
This will be Pergamino coffee.
Decir firmeza y en tus brazos librarme de mis tristezas.
The smell of this coffee, guys, amazing. I wish there was a way that you can show it. So those will be the 6 steps of coffee. The selection of the coffee, of the red coffee cherry, depulping it, that is taking that red skin off, washing it and fermenting it, drying it, trillado, that is taking the other skin off, and finally roasting it. And look at this view. This is the view that the farmers get to see each time they go down that mountain to pick coffee. So these would be the different type of methods there are to make coffee. Mocha, a little type of espresso, dripper, French press, aeropress, siphon, Chemex, and there's many more, and each one gives a different flavor to the coffee. Okay guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, it's very important to be specific when you talk about coffee. The new tendency of the world is to drink coffee of origin from one single place, because what the world does is mix Vietnamese coffee with Indonesian, with Brazilian and Colombian coffee, and they say that it's Colombian coffee. So you need to look for 100% Colombian coffee. Not only that, because Colombia does the same thing, mixes Antioquia's coffee with the North coffee, with the South coffee, with the West coffee, and it's gonna be a different taste. What you need to look for is one farm, from one municipality, from one department, from one country, and that gives a very particular taste. It's a unique taste. That's what you need to look for, guys. Coffee of origin, café de origen. And this way, guys, you're gonna help the small coffee growers improve their economy, because it's such a little reward for such a hard job. So there's a couple of factors that make Colombian coffee the best in the world. First of all, we're near the equator line, so we receive constant sun the whole year. We have the Andes Mountains, so we can find the perfect altitude for the coffee. We have volcanic soils, so our coffee plants receive an overdose of nutrients. And 90% of Colombia's coffee is Arabica, is the family that gives the best taste to the final cup. And plus all of that, there's a highly and strict selection process in all of the stages of the coffee. So that's why Colombian coffee is just the best. So guys, if you want to live this beautiful and authentic experience, learn about the art of coffee directly from a farmer, and learn how they live, contact us. This will be the most incredible, amazing, and unforgettable experience that you will ever have, surrounded by these incredible landscapes. Guys, don't forget to share, thumbs up, and subscribe, because I'm gonna fill you with a bunch of Colombian information of our history, of our culture, and all the beautiful places there are to visit. So, thank you very much.
Me siento de ser un buen colombiano.
Tomando café en taza, es que así es que corre así.
Eso.
Pues a los campesinos.
A los campesinos. Exacto.